Hi there, my name is Emily Isakson and I'll be a second year's master student at BGC this fall. Today, I would like to talk to you about Tomte and Nisse, also known as Nordic and Scandinavian folklore creatures like a gnome or an elf. They are associated with Christmas and the winter solstice and thought of as protectors of the farm and the home, but they do cause domestic havoc, playing tricks and pranks on those around them. Much like Santa Claus, who is thought of as a Yule Nisse in myth, or a Christmas elf, these creatures are appeased by eating butter and porridge on Christmas Eve. Today, they're found as Christmas decorations around the world, categorized by their knit caps, their long beards, and their mischievous appearances. You're most likely familiar with this type of Nisse. However, this kind here is the most traditionally popular in Scandinavia and Nordic countries. As a child, my next door neighbor was Swedish, and every year I helped her set up her Tomte village. Having my own collection now helps me feel both closer to her and to my own Finnish heritage. Some of you may also have them in your own homes, but if you're looking to start your own Tomte village, Flying Tiger on 81st in Columbus sells them at the holidays. However, if you do start your own Tomte collections, beware that these friendly creatures may play some tricks on you if allowed into your home.